Hey vloggy vlog, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Anna Nicole, and if you're not, welcome back. If you haven't hit subscribe, definitely hit subscribe. We have a fun time over here. But anyways, so as you kind of saw in the beginning of this vlog, I just got ready. I am just getting my day started, and I'm so excited because I am going on a little trip today, and I'm going to take you all with me. But this vlog will just be a pack with me vlog. I have such an exciting weekend. I'm so excited. Okay, anyway, so this vlog will be a pack with me vlog. My suitcase is over there in the corner and it's ready to be packed up. I kind of already know what I want to pack. I just wanted to go through that process with you all. So if that is something you're interested in, stay tuned and let's get into the video. Look at the weather. Why does it look like fall out here? Like, it looks amazing. I love it. You can't even see like the mountains back there. It looks so good. So this is all I have in my suitcase right now. Just this bag that all of my, toiletries have to go in, and then all of my clothes will go in there. I'll just sit you guys right here and walk through what I'm packing. So actually this is what I'm wearing. This is what I wear whenever I go home. It's kind of just like a little comfy fit because it is a 6-hour drive. So yeah, it's a 6-hour drive, so I definitely want to be comfortable. I have already filled the car with gas, which is amazing. I already got my driving snacks, which is also amazing. That's all sitting in the car. I also already cleaned my car, which is also amazing. Anyways, back to the actual packing part. I'm going to show you guys what all I'm bringing. Now that I have this out, I'm kind of debating, should I try these on? I feel like I should try these on for you guys, so hold on. So this first dress is brand new. It is from Persona. It literally still has the tags on it. I have not worn it, but I feel like this with like some dad shoes would be really, really cute. I actually don't think I'll be wearing this though, because I kind of already have an idea of the photos that I want to take, and that kind of decides my outfits. But just in case, this is a nice little dress to also have. It's a very thick material, like super thick material, and it has this little nice v-neck drop and a cute little collar. So I think it's so cute and really perfect. So yeah, I'm bringing it. And then I have this one, this Sundress. I think it's so cute. I tried this on for you guys like 2 vlogs ago when I was taking photos, and I was like, I'm definitely gonna save this for Charlotte, and now is the time because I think it's so cute. And yeah, so I got this one from Shein. It's this long bodycon sundress that has spaghetti straps that are adjustable, and then it also crosses in the back like that, and I think it's so cute. So I'm bringing this one. I'm also bringing this one, even though I already have Instagram pictures in it, but it's just so cute and so easy to style. And this is also something that you could dress up or dress down. Like, I could definitely wear dad sneakers with this, and then I could also just wear sandals with it. So it's like, I love this dress so much, and it's so easy to style and so cute. So I'm definitely bringing it. And I guess, I don't know, I'll just either have a double up Instagram photo, which I hate, or just not take an Instagram photo, which is a little more relaxing actually. Just having something that you know you're not gonna take an Instagram photo in is pretty relaxing. So yeah, this one again is from Shein. I have worn this before. It halters around the neck and ties, and then it has a nice low back drop, and it's a mini dress. So cute. One of my favorite dresses actually. And then lastly with the dresses is this one, and I already know like the photo that I want for Instagram in this dress. There is like a rip on the side though that I'm actually so sad about, but I feel like I can cover it up because there's a split right here, so I can just like, you know, tuck it in. So I love this dress. It's from Shein. It's a long bodycon sundress. It has a like circular / almost square neckline with spaghetti straps that cross so many times in the back. It's so pretty. And there's also obviously this really nice split. So yeah, I cannot wait to take photos in this, and I already have an idea of the photo I want to take. So actually I'm packing this dress as well. I forgot I even had this, but I forgot I had this one, and I don't have an Instagram picture in it. It's so cute. I tried this on one of my try on haul videos. Again, this one is from Shein as well, and this is another one that I could dress up or dress down. Like, honestly, this gives me more casual vibes, and it would be perfectly fine if I wore it with like Air Forces or my dad's sneakers or something like that. And I think it's so cute. It's in this nice stretchy knitted material. It has a square type neckline, and it halters around the neck, and then there's a almost a low back. It's like a medium back, and it's short and bodycon, and I love it. I love it so much. So I'm definitely packing this one. And then for my more casual days, I do have 3 pairs of shorts. These are my favorite shorts. They are longer than like regular shorts. So I have these. I have a medium wash that's kind of distressed from, where is this? Oh, Aeropostale. Actually, these are all $10. These were $10 from Aeropostale. I'm so convinced Aeropostale is closing because their deals are so good right now. But this is a light wash pair from Aeropostale as well. And then this is a, it's not dark wash, but it's just darker than that one from Shein. And I will pack all 3 of those just because I love options. And then for tops, I think I'm going to go with this one. I'm kind of annoyed because this one has like some snags in it, but it's fine. It's a crop top, so I can cover that with my hair. This one's a crop top as well. This is like one of my least favorite crop tops because it's in this shiny material instead of a cotton material, but it's a nice casual top to have, I guess. And then I have this white one that's also a crop top that has like a one shoulder thing, and then it has these ties on the back, which honestly I've never worn that shirt. I got it so long ago, but it's one of my least favorite tops. And then I have this crop top, which is one of my favorite tops, but I just wear it so much, but I'm packing it anyway. And then I have this crop top, which is in the same material as the green one I showed you, but it just looks better in brown. And I still don't really like this top either, but it's a nice option to have. And then I have this crop top, which is one of my favorites, but I'm kind of skeptical to wear it because it's white, or it's cream. So I don't know if I'm gonna wear that. So all of these crop tops are but it's fine because honestly, I probably will not wear shorts in a crop top. Like, honestly, I'm just a dress girl, so it's fine. Now for the easy part, the exercise clothes. I'm bringing these shorts that have the little back thing like what I have right now, these shorts that have the back thing, and these shorts that have the back thing. This workout top to go with the green one, this workout top to go with the blue one, and this workout top to go with the gray one. And I forgot that I had this black top that I wore when I went to Summerfest, and this is one of my favorite tops, one of my favorite little crop tops. So I'm gonna throw this in the pile, and if I wear shorts, I would probably wear that one. And then of course my pajamas. I have my little Grinch top that I keep picking at the picture on, so it doesn't even look like the Grinch anymore. And then one of my favorite shorts, comfy shorts, and this top that a company sent to me, Richer Poorer, and it's so comfortable, so freaking comfortable. They also sent me the matching shorts, but I like, it doesn't really matter, it's pajamas. I'm also going boating, so I'm bringing 2 different bikinis. I'm going boating only one day, so I'm bringing 2 different bikinis so I can decide on which ones I want to wear. I don't know if I want to go with white or if I want to go with this yellow. I feel like this yellow would look really pretty. And then I'm bringing this top to go over it. And also for one of the days where I wear like just this casual fit, which I did realize I will be wearing one of these outfits on one of the days. I would like to bring one of these to wear on my head just because I think it would be cute. So yeah, these are all my outfits, all of them. And now I get to pack them and pick out some shoes. I got everything that I need, and now I'm going to throw all of this into this suitcase. And I'm actually gonna film this part for TikTok, so if you don't follow me on TikTok, follow me on TikTok. But yeah, so, and before and after, and everything basically fit. I know that wasn't a clean transition because I don't remember how my suitcase was sitting before I moved it for TikTok, but I have to bring this. I don't know where my blue one went, and I'm so sad. I don't know where my Polaroid camera went, so I'm stuck with this one unless I want to buy another one, which honestly, I actually might buy another one because I really want my blue one. My blue one was just so much better. Guys, I was just looking for my Polaroid camera, and I always find Christmas cards with money still in it. I'm so happy right now. Wow, I'm so happy. And it always comes in handy in the right time. Okay, so now all that's left to do is dump this trash. I have to feed Passant. Passant, where are you? There he is, over there in the corner. Right over here. I have to feed Passant, and then I have to wash these dishes. Just a little bit of dishes. And then, oh yeah, turn off the AC, which actually I can go ahead and do now. Actually, I'm doing the wrong thing. Hold on. There we go. I can go ahead and do that now because I'm not paying for it if I'm not here.
Okay, I'm out of my apartment. Everything's locked and put away, but I figured I would give you all a haul of, I guess, my road snacks that I obviously didn't get to show you because I got it yesterday. I also got gas yesterday. Oh, I think I said that. So happy about that. Never try to get gas in the morning. It doesn't work out. But anyway, so of course, I have my water right back there. I always have my water. And I also have Gatorades in here, but that's for the gym. But I mean, if I want a Gatorade, then it's literally right there, but I doubt I will because I have my Arizona, what is this? Arizona fruit juice cocktail. I also have ginger ale to stay awake on the road. And then I have some cookies. I have some whatever these, I forgot, Mike and Ike's. And then I got this to eat yesterday and I completely forgot, so now I have this. I think I'm gonna eat this as soon as I'm done with this video. And then I have my candy for the road. Sometimes I get tired, but it's not really often. It's just literally a straight shot, and I typically listen to my music, which is why I'm actually going to end this vlog here. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay tuned to have an enjoyable weekend with me. I am going to be vlogging. I have so much planned. So yeah, that's gonna conclude this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you all right back here next time with a super fun video. Bye guys.